Imagine this, your heart skips a beat. You pat your pockets, frantically search your bag, and the cold dread washes over you. Your phone is gone. In today's hyperconnected world, that's not just losing a device, it can feel like losing a part of yourself. But what if that missing phone also held the keys to your digital kingdom, your Tangem Wallet? For those unfamiliar, Tangem Wallet is a sleek, physical cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Think of it as a highly secure vault for your digital assets, accessible through a paired mobile app. Unlike traditional online wallets, your private keys are stored securely on the Tangem card itself, never leaving the device and significantly reducing the risk of online hacks. This design prioritizes security and gives you tangible control over your crypto. Now, let's circle back to that heart-stopping scenario. You've lost your phone, the very device you use to interact with your Tangem wallet. Panic might set in, and that's understandable. But here's where the thoughtful design of Tangem Wallet shines. Losing your phone doesn't automatically mean losing access to your cryptocurrency. The crucial element here is the Tangem card itself. Your private keys, the essential codes needed to access and manage your crypto, reside securely on that physical card. Your phone acts as an interface, a way to view your balances and initiate transactions, but it doesn't hold the keys themselves. So, what can someone do if they find your lost phone? Without your phone's passcode or biometric authentication, they likely won't be able to open the Tangem Wallet app. Even if they do manage to bypass your phone's security, they still need the physical Tangem card to authorize any transactions. The app will prompt for a card scan for any significant action, making it incredibly difficult for an unauthorized user to move your funds. However, losing your phone does present some inconveniences and potential risks. Firstly, you'll temporarily lose the ability to easily check your portfolio balance or initiate new transactions. This can be frustrating, especially in a fast-moving market. Secondly, depending on your phone's security settings, a malicious actor might try to access other sensitive information stored on your device. So, what should you do if you lose your phone connected to your Tangem wallet? The first step is the same as with any lost phone. Try to locate it, remotely lock it, and if necessary, remotely wipe its data. This will prevent unauthorized access to any information stored on the phone itself. Next, once you have a new phone, the process of regaining access to your Tangem wallet is straightforward. You simply download the Tangem Wallet app on your new device and pair it with your existing Tangem card. The card remains the key to your funds, not the specific phone it was initially paired with. This highlights the beauty of a hardware wallet. Your assets are tied to the physical device, offering a layer of security independent of your mobile phone. It's also a good reminder to have a backup plan for your Tangem cards. While the cards are durable, they are still physical objects that can be lost or damaged. Tangem offers the ability to create backup cards, essentially duplicates of your primary wallet. Storing these backups in separate, secure locations provides an additional layer of protection against unforeseen circumstances. Losing your phone is never a pleasant experience, but when your cryptocurrency is secured by a Tangem wallet, the risk of losing your digital assets along with your device is significantly reduced. The focus on physical security and the separation of private keys from the mobile application provide a robust defense against unauthorized access. While the inconvenience of a lost phone remains, your crypto remains safe, secured by the card in your possession. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.